Salto Do Prego waterfall is a great representation of just how naturally beautiful this entire island is. In this short video, we share the information you need to visit this location for yourself. Waterfalls are one of the top tourist attractions for any vacation destination. We're going on a short hike through a lush forest located in Faial. Stick around to find out if this experience is a good fit for you. We're Mike and Laura of MikeandLauraTravel.com. For the last 4 years, we've been traveling the world and documenting our adventures. Our travel blog has taken us to some pretty amazing destinations. We're excited to be able to share our experiences and what we learn along the way. Visit our website to stay connected or subscribe to our channel today and don't miss our weekly uploads.
Today we woke up to some sunny skies. By sunny, I mean partly cloudy with a chance of rain. We are going to try to find whatever we can get ourselves into because we only have 5 days left here on the island. So, see you out there. So we're going to some place on the island that we've never been before, and it's called Faial da Terra. And the reason we're going here is because on spotazores.com, make sure you write that down if you're coming to the Azores, Spot Azores, it's spelled like Azores, and you'll be able to see the weather. They have webcams all over the island. It's really neat. That way you can decide where on the island you should visit because some parts it's going to be really sunny and other parts it's going to be really rainy. Alright, so we have an hour and 18-minute drive ahead of us.
We used Google Maps to get us to Faial. From there, the trailhead is relatively easy to find. Take a left at the first intersection and follow the signs for Salto Do Prego, which takes you down a narrow road and past some old housing where you'll find a small dirt parking area. Here, you'll begin your hike.
Okay, so it looks like this is where you like park to go hike up to the waterfall. We got our rain stuff though, just in case, I mean, we're definitely gonna need that.
So if you're coming from Faial and you follow the signs correctly, you should find yourself walking directly by a river. Salto Do Prego is considered one of the top places to visit on São Miguel. The short 2.8-mile round trip makes this hike manageable for hikers of all experience levels. The rainforest-esque landscape is constantly wet, can be slippery, but will definitely keep your eyes busy the entire time.
Waterfall.
And then you walk along the waterfall. Oh, we'll go this way.
Crossing number 2.
The next part of this hike would be switchbacks. Up and up. And if you look up this hike for any reason, you'll probably hear about the chickens. They're friendly, but assertive.
I think we do want to go down this trail to get the view of it.
Okay.
Hi guys, you coming?
Good, good, good. Come on. Evidently there's some friendly chickens. We made some friends.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Wow. It is bamboo. Bamboo so thick it's blocking the sun. And now right at the end here, we can hear it. Sounds like a rushing train. Definitely a short hike, but some of the intensities that can happen, you know, you should just be prepared for a hike like this. And by prepared, I mean like maybe wearing hiking shoes because it'll probably be slippery and muddy. And then also with a rain jacket in your backpack just in case. You can see this waterfall from 2 different angles. They give you a place to stand at the top, which is where we'll go first. The top looks like a fun place to sit down and enjoy the snack you brought, if you brought one. And now we'll go down to the bottom and look up at this thing.
Give this hike a go for yourself and tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. We hope to have you back.
It's raining here.
Take the next.
Believe it or not. If you are going to Faial da Terra, your GPS will probably stop working even if you have LTE. And it stopped like right in the middle of town. It's like the Bermuda Triangle.
It is.
Our GPS doesn't work. So we're just kind of driving. I think this is the right way though, because there's signs.
There's signs.
There's signs.
Why does it smell like fresh laundry? Kind of smelled like when you're at the zoo and you're seeing the elephants or the giraffes, and
It smells like it right here.
yeah, you can smell it.
It did not go as planned.
Well, you did good.
Ouch.
Evidently there's some friendly chickens.
Come on, guys. Keep up. Let's go. Come on. This way. Let's go.
These chickens followed us for quite a while.